How long does Webull application take? Webull's account application process is generally quick and straightforward. Most users report that the initial application takes only a few minutes to complete, covering basic details like identification and personal information. However, verification and approval can take longer, usually between 1 and 2 business days, although some have experienced wait times of up to 5 days, depending on factors like document clarity and verification speed. Once the application is approved, funding the account is immediate via ACH, which typically takes 1 to 2 days for first-time transfers, while microdeposits may take up to 3 days for account verification. Some users find that their accounts are active within a single day, but applicants should expect the possibility of up to a week before full trading access is granted. Webull offers several benefits, particularly for new and low-cost investors. Users praise the platform's commission-free trading, covering stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies. This zero-commission model significantly reduces barriers to entry for newer investors. Additionally, the platform's features appeal to more advanced traders. It includes conditional order types, advanced charting tools, and extended trading hours. Webull's interface is also seen as more sophisticated compared to rivals like Robinhood, with additional research tools, although it's still limited in certain research capacities when stacked against traditional brokers. Many users find the app design intuitive, though some also report a steeper learning curve for those not familiar with trading interfaces. On the downside, Webull's customer support has received mixed reviews. Some users report difficulties in reaching support staff quickly, particularly via phone, which can be inconvenient if issues arise during critical market hours. Additionally, while the commission-free trades are a positive feature, Webull also participates in payment for order flow, which some investors criticize for potentially affecting trade prices. The platform also lacks access to mutual funds, which limits its offerings for more diversified, long-term portfolios. Another con for Webull is its non-availability in certain regions outside the US, so international investors may find their access limited. For those considering Webull for options trading, the platform does an admirable job of balancing cost-effectiveness with usability. Unlike traditional brokers, it offers commission-free options trading, which is a strong advantage for options traders. However, those looking for highly technical trading tools or extensive automation features may find Webull lacking. Furthermore, Webull's order execution speed, while adequate for most investors, might not match the precision needed for professional, high-frequency traders. In summary, Webull's application process is relatively quick, but can vary in duration depending on individual circumstances, with most applications approved within a few days. Its zero-commission trading, broad asset class availability, and advanced interface make it a compelling choice for active and cost-conscious traders. Yet, users should be mindful of potential limitations like customer service response times and restricted access to certain types of investments, particularly mutual funds. Webull continues to appeal to new investors and intermediate traders with a mobile-friendly interface and accessible entry point, while those needing highly specialized trading features may wish to explore alternatives.